Hello and welcome. Today's lesson is how to put fractions on a number line. What's that? You're refusing to do the work? You don't put fractions on number lines? Oh, I see. You only put decimals on number lines. You take the fraction, turn it to a decimal, then think money and put it on the number line. Good thinking. All right, that's fine. So let's start with the first one. We have 3 and 3/4. So how are we going to do that? Do we need to take this one in and out? No, we do not. Very good. We've memorized that 3/4 is the same as 3/4. So that would be the same as the decimal equivalent of $3.75. Well, now that we have $3.75, we have to put it on the number line. Can we do that? Yes, we can. Because it is legal to put on money onto the number line. So now that we have $3.75, let's put it on the number line. Well, here's $3, here's $4. Halfway, yes, I always insist you do, is $3.50. So what does that mean? We still have to do $3.75, which would be right about a quarter of the way more. So there we go. That one was easy enough. All right, let's move on to the next problem. Divine, will you please put 2 1/5 on the number? What? You will not? Oh, that's right. You only put money on the number line. My bad. Well, sir, do we need to take this one in and out? No, we do not. You have also memorized 1/5. 1/5 is 20 cents. How do I know that? If you count by fives on your fingers, it would take you 20 fingers to get to 100 or 1 whole. So this is really $2.20. So if we have $2.20, let's put that on the number line. There's $2. There's $3. That's right. There's $2.50. Excellent. So where's $2.20? Well, if a quarter of the way from 2 to 250 is 225, right about there, 220 would be right about there. You guys are smart. I will give you a star for this one. And let me find that smiley face. A smiley face for that one. Let's move on. All right. Now we have another one. Who can I ask for this one? Raise your hand out there. Okay, Destiny. Destiny, please put 4 5/8 on the number line. What? You refuse? Well, why won't you put 4 5/8 on the number line? Oh, because you only put money on the number line. Okay, that's fine. Turn it to money. Well, what is 5/8 as a decimal? No, it's not. $4.58. You're right. This one you don't know by heart. You need to take it to in and out. Well, since we're going to need a little bit more space here, let's go down to page 4 and let's try it. So what do we have? 4 5/8, and we need to take this to in and out. Remember, we want it to look like money. So there's in, there's out. Now, some of you didn't understand what in and out means. I'm doing all this talking about, what's your favorite place to eat, and you didn't get what the in and out meant. The in means the 5 needs to go in, which looks a little strange, and the 8 goes out. Why is that strange? Because usually the bigger number goes inside, and now we do long division. But let's do my little trick here by always adding the decimal and the 2 zeros to make it look like money. Okay? So here we go. My first question is how many 8s go into 5? 0. Multiply, touch it. 0 times 8 is 0. You subtract and bring down. Well, if we were in 4th grade, we go with the answer is 0, remainder 5. But I'm teaching you 5th grade math, and we'll also help you put fractions on the number line. Now your question is how many 8s go into 50? 6. Those of you that know your facts know it right away. 6 times 8 is 48. I would need to borrow here, but I prefer to count up, so I'm going to put 48 in mine and go 49, 50, so the answer is 2. Bring down the other 0, and start over. How many 8s are in 20? 2. 2 times 8 is 16. Now, yes, I'd still get remainder 4, and I could keep going, but I don't care, because I have money now. I have $4.62. All right, so let's go back up and put that on the number line. $4.62. Well, now this one's a little different. I didn't break it into quarters because I was trying to trick you, but I don't think I can trick you guys. There's $4, there's $5, halfway, right about there's $4.50. right? Always put in halfway because now you can get it. Where's 462? Right about there. Awesome. All right, next we have 2/7. Who could I ask for this one? Joseph. Joseph, put 2/7. What? You refuse? Oh, you only put money on the number line. I get it. Yes, we do need to take this one to in and out. In and out. So let's go down to our purple page. Let's get out the giant eraser and make us some space. Oh, yeah. All right. So what was it? 2/7? Let's pick a color here. Let's try white. 2/7. We have in and we have out. Now get ready because you're going to have to do your own after this one. Okay, that's what the lesson's about. I know you've been listening a long time, but you're going to have to do the next two by yourself. So here we go. We have in, right? This number's going in. 7's going out. I want to make it look like money. So let's do that right away. Put up my decimal. How many 7s are in 2? 0. 0 times 7 is 0. Looks like our answer is 0 remainder 2, but it's not. Bring down this. How many 7s go into 20? 2. 2 times 7 is 14. All right, we get 6. Bring down the 0. I know I'm kind of going fast, but that's because I don't want this video to be too long. How many 7s are in 60? 8. Why? Because 8 times 7 is 56. I could keep going, but I'm not because I have 28 cents. Remember, the whole point of this was to put it on the number line. So here we have $0. Here we have $1. Let me change colors here. Let's do something funky here. So what do we have here? We have 50 cents, right? Because halfway between 0 and 1 is 50 cents. And what were we trying to get? What was 2/7 again? 2/7 was 28 cents. So let's find 28 cents on the number line. Well, if that's 50 cents, this must be 25 cents. So 28 cents would be right about there. Okay, this should be making sense to you. What I need you to do is I need you to, on a piece of paper to turn in tomorrow, I need you to draw a number line that looks like this and do 3/4 on the number line. Draw a number line like this, do 2 6/8, and then finally follow it up with 4 2/3. So you'll have 3 problems. Let's actually number them. Let's number them kind of cool. I like this one. Whoops. Let's number it. This will be your number 1 to do for tonight's homework. Number 2. And number 3. All right. Thank you for being great listeners. I'm looking forward to seeing your work tomorrow.